Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Firstly, I want to thank all my dear viewers for supporting me and giving me so much love on my YouTube channel. And you must have already seen in the thumbnail that we are creating an amazing fidget spinner without bearings. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the tutorial.
To make the fidget spinner, we'll require these materials. So here I've taken 2 pieces of colored paper. You can take any color of your choice. You can also use a chart paper. Then I've taken a pencil, sunboard or cardboard, a toothpick, a coin, and a pair of scissors.
Now first let's start with the method. So here I'm going to take any one colored paper. And since this is A4 size, so I'm going to fold this diagonally. And we'll cut the remaining part out. Now I'll take this piece of paper, fold it into half. Again fold it into half.
Here I would like to give you a tip. Use a thin piece of paper so that it is easy to fold.
Now once I've got both the pieces ready, both the back sides, I'm going to put them together and fold this and put it inside. Same thing over here. Now flip it over. So here our fidget spinner structure is ready. Now after creating this, I'm going to take my rounder and in the middle I'm going to make a hole. You can take any other sharp object that you have.
The hole should be big enough to fit the toothpick inside.
And it should rotate on it.
Now I'm going to take my scissors and cut off the excess part of the toothpick from both the sides. Now I'm going to take this piece of sunboard or cardboard and taking my coin, I'll draw a circle around it. I'll make 2 such pieces. Now in the center of the circle, I'll mark a hole with my rounder for both the pieces. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for more notifications and like my video. Now inserting the toothpick inside, from both the sides I will add the cardboard pieces to support the fidget spinner and it's ready.